Zendesk is ultimately the hub of our wheel. We've got other products, other tools that we use that are our spokes, but everything comes back into Zendesk. My name is Brad Harris. I'm with Bitly, and I am the Global Director of Customer Support. A huge benefit to me is that it plays nice with others, right? They've got a close relationship with Salesforce, so we can integrate into other platforms that our sales teams are using. It integrates really well with Jira, so they can stay in their tool and have a window into Zendesk. Sales can stay in Salesforce and have a window into Zendesk. We can all kind of drive in our lanes, but then be able to see what we're all up to. Being able to have a solution that's not just robust and friendly with others, but something that is intuitive and grows at the pace of your own company, your own needs, a clear winner for me for Zendesk.